So today I am going to be replacing my OEM Rentals, which I guess you say OEM, but the bars that came stock on my Cowie are these Renthal. I think they're K971. It's a higher bar bend. I'm 6'1", which you would think a guy like me would want a taller bar bend, but I actually prefer a low bend, and I picked up a set of these Phoenix Handlebars that my buddies over at the TXS Cowie team run. They turned me on to them. They seem like a cool company. I like supporting smaller companies, just kind of my style. And then after doing some research and talking around Kuntz, I figured out that they sell a whole kit. So they sell a 7/8 bar kit and an 1 1/8 bar kit. And I think the 1 1/8 bar kit, if I remember correctly, for these grips, which is they call them the 50/50 grip, you get cut to length safety wire for your grips. You get your bar pad of your choice in the bars for $105, I think. I think that's what it cost. And I bought this one separate. This is to support St. Jude. This is the one bar pad they did. They ran for a while to help raise money for St. Jude. So all around, I thought that was cool. So I went ahead and picked up a set, and I figured I'd give it a shot. You know, motocross is a little big industry. You have the top brands, then you have some little brands, and I know a lot of guys just buy the name. They don't think about smaller guys. You just think, oh, Renthal or Pro Taper or Mika or ODI. You buy what you see. I always like trying the smaller businesses that maybe aren't household moto names. So that's kind of what I did, and the owner sends a personal message in the box when you buy them. So that's pretty sick, they get something shipped from California over here to Indiana and have a personal handwritten message from the owner of the company. Yeah, supporting companies like that are pretty badass. So I'm gonna throw these boys on, and I'll show you guys what they look like when they're mounted up. Got them mocked up just in time for dinner, so I'm gonna go eat, and then I'll come back out here and finish them up. I went ahead and moved the stock Cowie, or the 2020 Cowies. I think the 19s do too, but they have 2 holes where you could put your bar clamps through. So I actually went ahead and moved up a hole. Seeing how I am going with a super low bend, I mean, that's a wicked low. I think it's a 999 Renthal number bend. And I am tall, so I want a little bit more length. So I went up and jumped up a hole with the low bend. I think that's what's going to really take my whip game to the next level. Not really at all, but no, I just want to try it and see what it's like. It's not too hard to switch it back. All right, got them all mounted up. Pretty pumped with them. I might move the bars once I get to the track and actually ride and fill it out. I've never been one to take down numbers or do anything like that as far as bar bend stops or wherever you set your bars. I've never done that. I've always just kind of winged it, just how I've always rolled. But yeah, I'm pumped, and I really think just by looking at the bars, going to the higher hole here on the clamp positioning is going to make a big difference. I mean, just in the cockpit, my goodness, what a hot setup. Yeah, so for $105, you get the bar pad, the bars, and the grips. You do buy the bar mount separate, which I'm sure that Phoenix sells their own clamps, or bar clamps. I went ahead and went to one of my local sponsors, Dirt Sports, and picked up a set of ODI ones today, so I could do this tonight. But grip wire, grips, bars, $105, and you get shipped to your house pretty quickly. So if you want to rep a fellow Hoosier that's now living in California, in the heart of I don't know what, but in California, which can't be fun without riding. But you want to support a guy that was from Indiana, that moved in California, started a handlebar business, makes a pretty sick ass product. Give Phoenix Handlebars a follow on Instagram and check out their website. They have an actual sizing chart. I think they have 70, 80, 90 millimeter is their rises. There could be more. Can't remember offhand, but I'll link the website in the description. So go check them out. Or DM on Instagram and tell them that, you know, Colmore sent you. So, you know, give them a shout out. Let's support these small businesses. And like, kind of like this whole page is about, the underdog guys, the newcomers of sport, and yeah, make motocross awesome. I mean, it is awesome, but let's try to grow it. So if we can help these small guys grow, and when we can grow, you know, it's a win-win-win, win-win-win-win-win-win. So, all right, catch you on the next one.
I do this all the time.